It can be frustrating to only be able to make a couple of dollars online. So for today's video, I will share this secret strategy that can make you, get this, over $90 per hour. My favorite thing about this strategy is that anyone can do it. Beginners without any technical skills? Check. People stuck in traffic? Check again. Students from India, Pakistan, the Philippines, or wherever else in the world you're from, you guys are in too. It's completely free, and you can do this as a broke beginner without any technical skills whatsoever. Welcome to Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best, the easiest, and most legit ways to make money online. If you want to achieve financial freedom or just want to become more financially savvy, then you've come to the right place because that's exactly what we talk about day in and day out on this channel. Feel free to join our community by liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell down below so that we can let you know each time we have a new video out. And with that said, let's go make some money! Let me take you to the first platform that we're going to be using today, and it's called Zoombucks over at zoombucks.com. Zoombucks is a GPT or get paid to site that pays its users for performing simple tasks such as answering surveys, watching videos, and completing offers. Similar to a lot of the GPT sites out there, Zoombucks pays in points which have a specific dollar equivalent. In this case, 1,000 points is equal to $1, and you can redeem your payment or reward upon reaching 3,000 points, which is also equal to $3. The amount that you can make per task varies widely, but to give you an idea, they do range from 20 to over 3,000 points apiece. I haven't experienced this myself, but I've read some reviews where people also claim to have gotten paid up to $10 for completing a survey. In my personal experience, I've received between $1 to $4, which I think is a reasonable amount considering how quick and easy the surveys were to answer. Do take note that first-tier countries just like the US, France, Canada, etc. often get the higher-paying surveys just because most of the market research targets people from here too. Completing offers is another way to make some decent extra cash on Zoombucks. They have an offer wall and they do post different tasks with a specific number of points for each. A lot of them are honestly quite fun. You don't need to exert much effort to complete them. And offers can come in the forms of quizzes or even fun games like Spot the Difference. Besides that, you can also interact with various other websites and sign up to them to earn even more points. Watching videos is always a fun way to earn extra on the side, and I think this is one of the higher paying tasks that you can find on Zoombucks, and you can do this with little to no effort at all. They award you with a couple of points for each video that you watch, and you can get started with just a few simple steps. Step number 1, sign up and complete your profile to create a free account on the site. If you intend to do surveys, you can be specific with your demographic profile. But if you intend to just watch videos, then basic information like your name and email address should suffice. You can also opt to sign up using your existing Facebook or Google account. Step number 2 would be to find a channel that interests you. They cover many different categories such as sports, entertainment, and lifestyle, so there's definitely something for everyone here. The channels do differ per region that you're in, but wherever you are, you'll be able to enjoy watching videos and get paid to do that just the same. And besides having many different channels and categories that you can choose to watch, they do replenish their video list every day, so you have plenty of chances to keep earning should you choose to do so. Just a quick reminder to those of you who aren't already subscribed to please not forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bells below because it's super simple to do and it also really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Step number 3 would be to start watching videos and earning points. One thing I want to remind you to do would be to read the terms and conditions for each video. One video could have a specific requirement and point system, so you'll want to pay attention to the fine print. For example, I've seen some offers that require you to watch 3 videos at a time, and without reading the fine print, you might not know this and end up not getting paid at all, which would completely defeat the purpose. To get started watching videos, you'll want to click Watch, which you'll find on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll be able to access this as long as you're signed in and in the Zoombox dashboard. In my case, I can see Ludably and Hideout TV, and when I hover my cursor over either of these, I can access the terms and conditions that I just mentioned earlier. So go through them and then proceed. You'll need to sign up for an account to be able to start watching videos here, and don't worry, that's completely free too. And once you're done with that, you'll be able to watch as many videos as you'd like. One tip that I can give you is that you should open as many videos as you want to in multiple tabs to maximize the profit that you make here while still taking note of any of the terms and conditions that you read about earlier. You can also adjust the video quality by adjusting it here under Settings. Doing so will allow you to still use your data or internet connection as you do this task without competing for the bandwidth that the videos usually consume. Step number 4 is to accumulate points. Your rewards will automatically be credited to your account as soon as you complete an offer. Step 5 is to keep your eyes peeled for more ways to earn. I recommend that you switch between multiple channels to do this. Which brings us to the last step, step number 6, and that would be to reap your rewards and redeem your points in cash or gift cards. Remember, you only need 3,000 points or $3 to request for redemption, and your account should be credited within a day to 3 days after your payment request was first made. Zoombox is definitely a legit company with an impressive 4-point-star rating on Trustpilot. If you're someone looking to monetize your free time, or maybe you're a stay-at-home mom and want to help out with the expenses at home, maybe you're a student saving up for a new phone, or just someone who needs a gig to start while looking for something bigger to come along, then take the first step today and download Zoombox right away. I'm not a Zoombox affiliate, I just really want to help you achieve financial freedom. And that's what this community is about after all. Speaking of community, well, if you haven't already, then what are you waiting for? Go ahead and join us today by hitting the like, share, and subscribe buttons below. It's completely free, and we have multiple money-making ideas that we share with you each and every week. With that said, I hope you got a ton of value from this video and that you're inspired to start building wealth right away. If you have any questions or comments, then do leave them down below and I'd be more than happy to answer them for you. Also, let me know what you want to see next and I will include it in our video pipeline. If you're interested to keep on learning, I'll leave some of my other video links in the description box or comment section below, so make sure you check those out too. Alrighty guys, take care and I'll see you again on the next one.